What's up, guys? Dave here with the Honda GoldWing. We'll show you how to use the radio right quick. First, you'll hit the audio button down here to turn on any audio controls. That's also how you can mute the system as well quickly.
They're sure he's back. They want to make sure that he's sure he's back.
Okay, and if you want to go to FM, just push FM stations right there. To tune it, this button right here, you can just push it up 1/10 of a frequency, or you can hold it down and it will search for you. It'll search for the next frequency for you, and you can push down to go down frequency as well, like that. You can also control volume right here.
88, don't wait, dial 8, 404 888
down. You can also control volume right there.
Side and online at baderscott.com. Caring for you, it's what we do.
AM frequency also is right there.
Cloudy skies as we head through the rest of our morning. Still a chance for a shower or two. Sunshine mixing in this afternoon.
And also has weather band.
The normal high temperature for today is 65 degrees, and the normal low is 43.
So it's constant weather channel. Also, if you plug in a device into your trunk area, there's a USB port back there, so you could plug in an MP3 device or certain devices with MP3 files on it, and just push auxiliary right here, and that'll give you the ability to listen to it through the system as well as control it through the system as well.
Under 10 seconds, you can save your offer and shop around.
And you know, once you get to a channel that you want to keep,
Once you approve,
that's good. We haven't done this yet on this bike, so let's set a channel, set to the frequency we want, and then just hold the channel buttons that you want. Hold it down for a moment. When it beeps, it saves the channel for you. Okay. Number 2, just hold it till it beeps. And you can store 6 channels. 3, like so. Very simple. And you can also you know, work with the intercom system if you have that. You know, if you have the intercom cables and whatnot for your helmets, you can use that through here as well. And very easy to use. Anyway, we're just going through this bike, learning a few things about it, and thought we'd show you what we've learned so far. Anyway, that's it. The GoldWing is a totally awesome bike. If you've never ridden one before, I highly recommend it. And as of March of 2022, this bike is for sale in Atlanta, Georgia. So see the link down below for where it's listed for sale in Marietta, Georgia. And very awesome bike. So y'all have a great day. We'll see you later.